Hey guys, Ashley here with a new video. Today I'm going to be heading over to IKEA to check out their cute new fall decor. I have a couple of things on my wish list that I'm hoping to pick up today, so I hope you come shop with me and then I will show you what I found. All right, let's go. Okay, the first thing that I found are these tea lights in apple and vanilla in an orange color to fill in my candle holder on my dining table. I think it looks great with the orange in the tablecloth, and I can't wait to burn them over dinner. Next is this creamy glass vase that I put on top of my coffee bar for a cute little accent. Now, while this pitcher is beverage safe, I decided to put it on top of my kitchen cabinets as a decoration to match with my plates. Now, while this wasn't a fall item, I couldn't pass up on these cute set of 3 bowls that I thought would be really great for condiments, dips, and of course, little snacks. Now, the main thing that brought me to IKEA was for this beautiful wreath for $12.99. I couldn't pass it up. I thought it was such a great deal, and I love the colors of it. Lastly, to go along with my wreath, I got this very long garland in the same collection and colors as the wreath. However, it's so long, I don't know whether I should cut it and put it some along my candle runner or put it in different spots. Let me know what you would do in the comments with this really long garland. Well, thank you again for joining me on my shopping trip to IKEA for our fall 2025 decor. Let me know what you think in the comments of what should I do with that garland. Should I keep it? Should I cut it up? Let me know. And then I hope to see you on the next one. I have a couple more vlog videos of some decorating and of course our reselling content. So until the next time, thanks guys, bye-bye.